Julia Turshen. I'm making a really easy spring meal for a friend of mine, and I'm about to make dessert. I'm gonna make raspberry and orange and sparkling rosé slushies. They're so easy. All you have to know how to do is to stir. If you can mix something together, you can make these. So I'm gonna squeeze a little fresh orange juice for these, but by no means do you have to use fresh. You could use already squeezed orange juice. You could use any citrus really. Grapefruit juice, some fresh lemon juice would be great. I'm just gonna add a scoop of raspberry sorbet to each cup. It's really helpful to have a little glass of hot water to dip your scoop in. It'll make that much easier. A really great tip, if you can remember, is to take out your sorbet while you're eating dinner so it kind of soften and be really easy to scoop when you're ready for it. At this point, just let the sorbet kind of soften so it's easier to stir together. Remember, you can use any type of sorbet. You could do lemon sorbet, you could do mango, it would be really, really delicious. But I'm gonna get the sparkling rosé open and stir the sorbet and juice together, and then add your sparkling wine. The sparkling rosé is so great because it kind of has notes of berries and cherries, and it goes just so well with the raspberry sorbet. So that's literally it. They're so simple. You don't need to add anything else. If you wanted a little extra something, you could add some frozen raspberries or even frozen cherries. It'll keep the drink really nice and cold, and then when you get to the bottom of the glass, you have a little extra something. But really, that's it. All you need to know how to do is stir, and they're perfect. Check out the other videos to see what else I made for my spring meal.